Hello student at class. I am teaching you the first poem, that name is Ant and Cricket. As it is a fable is a story and there are two characters. First character is Ant and second character is Cricket. Cricket is a silly and he did not do anything. He only singing, it is his habit to sing. So, he need not do anything and he was singing only. When the winter come, he began to complain that he does not have anything in his store, because he was singing only. Then he does not found anything, because he does not found anything or a crumb on the ground, because ground is covered with snow. There is no flower on the ground, there is no leaf on tree, because all of the trees are covered with snow. So, he was very worried. He went to the ant, trembling and shivering, and he was starving of hunger. He asked if he would give him shelter from rain or food to eat, so that he can keep him alive. But the ant said that they have their principle not to give anything, not to borrow anything, and not to lend anything. So, the ant refused to give him anything. Next, he said that when the ant asked him why he did not save anything in summer season, he says that he was very carefree and the weather was so lovely that he was only singing for the nature and he did not save anything. So, the ant refused him that you should go and dance for winter, like as he was singing for the summer or springtime. At last, there is a message. The poet conveys a message. What message? There are some people who are very hard working and they make their strategy for future plan, and some people are very lazy. They do not make any strategy for future plan, they have to regret. Now, let's start the poem. First stanza. A silly young cricket accustomed to see. Silly, foolish cricket chirping inside, accustomed, used to. A silly cricket was very accustomed, used to sing during the winter, through the warm sunny month of gay summer spring. He was singing during the winter and springtime. began to complain when he found that at home his cupboard was empty. Cupboard means store, gay means happy. When the winter began, he found that there was nothing in his storehouse, so he began to complain other that he had nothing in his storehouse. Next Sinja. Not a crumb to be found on the snow covered ground, and crumb of to be found. Crumb, a piece of, a bit of food, a piece of food. Now the poet says that when the snow was covered on the ground, he did not found anything on the ground. There was no flower on the plants, and there was no leaf on the tree, because the tree and plants was covered with snow. Oh, what will become, say the cricket, of me? And now the cricket was very afraid, the cricket was very worried that what will happen of him. Next stanza. At last by starvation and famine made bold. Starvation, dead by hunger, famine, great scarcity of food, bold courage. When he faced starvation and famine, he became bold, he became courageous, and trifling with weight and all trembling with cold. Trifling, thoroughly wet, trembling, shivering. He was thoroughly wet and shivering. He went where he set off to a miserly end. He went miserly end. Why? To see if to keep him alive he would grant him shelter from rain and mouthful of grain. Set off went, grant give. When there was snowfall and the condition was very miserable, it was very cold, and there was rainfall also. He was thoroughly wet and shivering, and he went to the ant for help. He asked if she would give him shelter from rain or food, some food, mouthful of grain means some food. Next stanza. He wished only to borrow. So the cricket went to the ant and he wanted to borrow some food and shelter. He would repay it tomorrow. He says that he would repay. Repay means pay back. He would pay back very soon. If not, the cricket says that if he would not give him shelter or a food to eat, then he must die of starvation and sorrow. Then he would die of starvation and sorrow, yani grief, say the ant to the cricket. And listen the cricket and then the cricket says that I am your servant and friend. The ant says very politely that I am your servant and I am also your friend. But we ant never borrow, we ant never lend. The ant says that they have their principle not to lend anything and not to borrow anything. So, they do not give anything. But tell me, dear cricket, did you lay nothing by? Now the ant want to know that what to know if he did not save anything in spring or summer season for the winter season when the weather was warm. When the weather was warm, why he did not save anything for the winter? Next, Sinja. The cricket caught the cricket. Caught means said. The cricket said, what said? Not I. The cricket said that he did not save anything for the winter in the summer days. My heart was so light. He did not save anything because he was very so careful. He was so careless or carefree that he was singing during the day or night. Why? Because for all nature looked gay, because the nature was very beautiful and nature was very attractive. Young sang, you say, sir, you say, go then, say the ant, and dance winter way. Now the ant become very angry and says that you say that you were only singing in the summer time and you want help from me. Now you go and dance for winter as you were dancing in the summer time. We can explain like that when the cricket says that he was singing during the day and night, he was very careless or carefree and singing for the singing for the summer and for the nature, because nature was very beautiful. So the ant became very angry and he says that he would not help him because he was very careless and carefree, and go now and dance for the winter or spend the time in dancing for winter. She will not or he will not give him any help because that. Now thus end he hastily lifted the wicket. Finally, what the ant did? Ant lifted, yani closed wicket the small door. The ant closed the small door, and out of the door turned the poor little cricket, and the ant turned out the little poor cricket. Last line, the poet says that folk call this feeble. Folk, yani people call this feeble means a small story. I'll warrant it true. The poet says that this poem is very true story. Some cricket have 4 legs and some cricket have 2. The poet says that some people are very hard working, they make their strategy for future plan, and some people are very lazy, they do not make any strategy for future plan, they have to regret now. इस तरह से जो है पोइट यहाँ कुछ आपको मैसेज देता है और इस प्रकार से हमें बताता है कि हमें हमेशा जो है एक स्ट्रेटजी के साथ, प्लान के साथ चलना चाहिए और आगे के अगर प्लान से हम चलते हैं तो हमें किसी भी प्रकार का कोई रिग्रेट नहीं करना पड़ेगा, किसी तरह से पछतावा नहीं करना पड़ेगा। दैट्स ऑल।